Hi, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video, we are going to be making some clear handbag. I've been seeing these all over Instagram and I decided why not make one of my own. I wasn't about to post this video, but then I repainted over this bag and did something different to it. So I was like, might as well just post this and then post the upgrade on what I did on the bag. So everything in this DIY I got from Amazon. All you're gonna need is a clear handbag, some white paint, some paintbrush, and I also got a fur bag strap, like a little pink bag strap where you guys are gonna see in the end of the video. But this is how the handbag looks. So all I'm gonna do is just write the exact same words across the bag, and that's basically the whole video. Quick and easy. I think it's in French. I'm not too sure. Yeah. But if you messed up, all you're going to need is some nail polish and a piece of paper, and you can just erase everything and then just start over. I would have suggest using a Sharpie or some kind to write the words first, and then use the paint to go back over the words so it can look more even and put together, because my handwriting is really sloppy, so this looks a mess. I kept on erasing it and putting it back on, erasing it, because I was writing the words way too big, and then in the end I had to be crunching up the number at the side, 1998. I should have just traced everything out first and then go over it with the paint, just to make sure that everything would be able to fit. But I think it turned out a little decent. I do like the bag though. It's cute. And I can always use some nail polish to clear it off if I don't feel like I like it anymore. So that's a win-win. So that's it. Just painting. I think this dry in probably an hour, because as I was painting it kept on drying. So for it to be fully dry, I think it took an hour, so you don't have to wait overnight or anything along that way. And this is how the bag looks. So cute. The D I messed up on, but I never fixed it. So this is how the bag looks. I just paired it just like that. I didn't add on anything else to it. So yeah, that's how it looks. And this is how it looks with the fur strap. It looks way better this way. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Mwah.